Hey guys, I want to do a quick video of the brand new Basscat Eyra 2023 model that I won. This is the boat that you win at the Owner's Invitational tournament. It's the one they raffle. And this thing is beautiful. So it comes with a Mercury Pro XS 250 on the back. And it comes standard with 2 Helix 9s, 9 up front, 9 in the back, with a Minn Kota Ultrex 80-pound thrust. And I went ahead and upgraded the dash to a 12-inch Helix on a Bass Boat Technology mount. And then I kept the Helix 9 up there so I can run my Mega 360, and I pulled my Garmin LiveScope LVS 34 from my Pantera 2 that I'm selling. Alright, now we're inside the boat. I'll give you a walkthrough on how I have it laid out. Obviously, rod locker. I went ahead and pulled the rod tubes up front so I can fit more rods in here. This is where I have all my tackle. Holds plenty of tackle in here. You get your day box. Keep all my quick use baits in there. That's where I keep my life jacket, some leftover baits. Got my Garmin box in there. Quick look at the front. The only thing left I have to do on this boat is add 2 power poles in the back. Need to add a hot foot and a blinker trim. I should be good to go.